Hey there, just going to walk you through how to use a conversion calculator because they're a bit intimidating at first, but they're actually quite simple to use. So this specific one is abtestguide.com, A/B test size. There's loads others out there. So the two bits of information that you need are your current conversion rate and how much traffic you're currently getting. So let's say your current conversion rate is 3.2%, and you get about 1,000 hits to your site a month. So this is per week. So you're going to put in 250 hits a week is 1,000 hits a month. And the minimum detectable effect is by default is 15%. So if your current is 3.2, then you want to detect 3.68. We can increase this a bit because it dramatically reduces the amount of traffic you need. So if you're going for bigger effects, you need less traffic. So let's say you want to be able to detect a change from 3.2% to 4% in overall conversion. With these numbers, it's saying you would need 54 weeks to detect that effect. And this is why it just doesn't make sense to do A/B tests at this level of traffic. If you move up to 10,000 hits a month, then you're down to 6 weeks. So that's a more realistic time period to do significant testing. Yeah, you can use this calculator. Just keep it at 25%, put in your weekly traffic, and put in your conversion rate, and it'll give you the exact time period that you can expect to get a result in.